Have you checked your vision lately? No, I don't mean have you been to the eye doctor. I mean, have you checked to see if you are on the path to manifesting your deeper insights? Hi, I'm Kristen. Welcome to the S.E.E.ing Wellbeing channel. I'm your energy wizard, inspiring and enabling you to sense, gauge, and express more energy and joy in your life with Qigong. Qigong is the practice of energy wisdom. It's a practice that helps us live in harmony with our vision for a fulfilling life. I never said it was an easy practice. And when you see that path that you really want, it's tough to walk in the other direction. Let's connect to our brighter vision together. First off, if you haven't yet, subscribed to my channel, please do that. Just allows you to experience the plethora of chi practices, wisdom that allow you to invite in these beautiful aspects of your life, like connecting to nature. Second thing I was going to say, if you haven't washed your hands yet, do so. We're going to do a little acupressure. It doesn't require you to touch your face, but I just want to be cautious about that. Okay, so first what we're going to do is we're going to do a little acupressure. I'm going to come a little closer for this one. And here we're going to do a little acupressure on the first 2 points of the bladder meridian, right in kind of the crease of the eye where you might experience some tear flowage. Today, brighter vision. So take the thumbs right in that tear duct area. You press as hard as you feel comfortable, or if you want to keep your hands off your face, just kind of energetically get that feeling of pressing in. So we're going to press in. So let's get closer. Press in and lift. Press in and lift. A few times. It's great to do in the morning. Those eyes going. And then we're going to make it a little bit broader, coming out to the corners of the eyebrows. Yeah, give yourself a little eyebrow massage. Ooh. Your own little morning facelift. Yeah. Nice deep breaths. All right, now a little kind of knuckle there. First knuckle underneath the eyes. I'm not promising no bags, but you never know until you try. All right, last one to brighten our eyes here. Take 3 fingers. It's also great for headaches too. 3 fingers on the sides of your eyebrows, your temple area, kind of natural area where you massage for a headache. So we're going to come up the back and down the front. Up the back and down the front. You might even want to close your eyes. So you hear that? She said, "Thank you, nature." Lovely. She knows how to harmonize. Nice. And now rub the hands together. Energetically creating a nice little heat in the hands. Go ahead, take a moment. Think about it, what it is that you want to manifest. Maybe this day, this week, this year. It is 2020 when I'm filming this. And take the hands, and we're not going to touch the face. We're just going to hover right over the eyes. And send this bright intention into your being, into your mind, into your heart, into your physical existence so that you can take action. Release. Let's take a little more physical action. All right. One more to clear the brain, clear the mind. I love this one. 10 dragons running through the forest. So take your 10 dragons and run them through the forest. Doubt, disbelief, be gone. It's also great to stimulate the brain. Don't worry about what your hair looks like. Feel that. Whew. One way to wake up at 3 o'clock in the afternoon or 6 o'clock in the morning. Now, let's break up some stagnation, some doubt and disbelief that may look like stress as you move forward, taking root in the liver. So the liver, all meridians are bilateral of the main meridians. All of the main 12 meridians are bilateral. And the liver and its partner, the gallbladder, run down the side. So we're going to break that up because the liver looks like stress when it's out of balance. And when it's in balance, it looks like abundance. And this is a great element, organ system, to connect with as we want to manifest our vision. If all of that's way over your head, just tap and have some fun. Take your left hand out to your side. You're going to take the right hand and we're going to tap downward from the armpit down to the hip, quelling the liver chi. We don't tap up, we're just going to tap down, sending the energy down to the earth. Negative energy. Tap. And how hard you connect with your body is completely up to you. Let's do one more. Other side. Tap down. Clear the path. I had to clear a path today. I couldn't film in my normal place. There were some kiddos playing out one more time. So I had to find a new path. I'm off the path today. All right. Yes. Let's take a wide stance and let's open up, do a little bit of a twist to detox and cleanse our path. So bend the knees. Turn the knees out so that they point in the same direction the toes. We're a little wider than hip width apart. Get a little bit of hip movement here. Press down. We're going to press into the thighs. Press the right hand down and in and turn slowly from your lower back to your mid back to your upper back and look over your left shoulder. Nice big inhale. Exhale, relax that shoulder. As you inhale, you're inviting in healing energy. As you exhale, rinsing, twisting out any of the negative. And then we'll come back to center. And other side, from the lower back to the mid back to the upper back. And finally, the vision behind you. Seeing all directions. Nice inhale. Oh, exhale, that feels amazing. Twist a little deeper, rinse a little more. As you inhale and come back to the center, maybe pause for a moment. Feel a little bit of new invigorating blood flow. Yeah, the liver, turning to the side again, is responsible for the free and easy flow of energy. And we're easing our path by rinsing and twisting out any of the gunky bits. Yep. That's officially Qi terminology, gunky bits. Turn. Have to keep it real, guys. Keep it real. All right. Now we're going to manifest our vision with the bow and arrow. So come into a stance with, let's turn to our left, and let's left leg forward, right leg back. And my right leg, if you've done yoga before, this is kind of like a warrior one stance. Feet are about hip width to shoulder width apart. We're just going to start bending into that front leg, your left leg. We're going to reach the left arm forward, the right arm back. And here we're going to harmonize the flow between yin and yang. Draw the left hand in towards the chest with the thumbs facing up. And as you do so, circle that back arm around. And then we pull back. So we're going to bend in and draw back, front hand forward, and back hand around, making a circle. So get the mechanics first. Don't overwhelm yourself. Draw in and circle. Yeah. So we're going to inhale, draw that front arm in, and pull the bow, let it go. The front hand is moving in a straight line. The back hand is moving in a circle. So we have yang and yin coming together to unite, gazing outward, over, towards the left. Notice, what do you see? Expand your vision, brighten. What do you want to see? Flowing in and out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Strong into the legs. Pump some of that earth energy. So today I'm out in the forest with you. The wood element, the element of spring, of new vision, is connected to the liver, and we're manifesting that. The seeds that we planted in winter are now coming up, showing their sprouts, leading the way. One more. Pull, 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 and release. Let it go. Hands back to the heart together. Let's center with a little heart to sky, heart to earth breath. Let's inhale, open. Exhale, hands to center. Inhale and open. Exhale, hands to center. One more. Inhale, open. Open up through the chest. Expand your vision. Gaze for a moment, side to side. Broaden your peripheral view. Come back to center. Now, turn to your right. Outstretch the arms. So first, right hand's going to come in. Left hand's going to come around in a circle. And then we pull the bow. Draw back and around. Yin and yang, always exchanging, transforming. Let's invite that transformation. Visionary that we all have inside of us. All around. You hear the wind in the background. The wind sparks change. Tap into that. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Sharpen your view. Focus. See if you can narrow your focus on a smaller point. Intending yourself on the path you want. One more. Let it go. Come back to center. Hands in. Inhale, open. Exhale, draw in. Inhale, open. Exhale. Inhale, open. Expand your vision side to side. And don't stop there. Take the vision behind you, above, below. Bring it into your center. And your feet in. Just do a little bit of shaking before we do one flow to expand your perspective. Just start to shake in the feet. This is always good for maybe if you got a little physical tension from that practice, or you've got a little emotional blockage still, that doubt and fear, let it go. Inhale through your nose and just a gentle exhale through the mouth. Shed the previous season's skin, let it down to the earth. dropping any fear from the winter, any doubt, allowing you to step forth in abundance that the spring brings us. Slow it down. Slow it down. Enjoy your chi high. Enjoy the internal vision. Make it brighter. And now, one flow today, pulling down the heavens from the 6 directions. Inhale, float the arms out to your side, similar to where we were before. And come all little pause there. Out to the side. Now, together. Turn to your left. Keep the arms parallel to the earth. Then we inhale, arms overhead. There's our direction, up. And then we turn back to the center, draw in. My vision changed mid-flow. Inhale, float up. Exhale, turn to your right. Inhale, float up. Turn back to the center and down. Expand your vision side to side. Turn front to back. Up, overhead, down to the earth. 6 directions. Soften into the flow. Let the energy guide you. Turn. Inhale. Be not afraid to make a mistake. Be not afraid to try a new path. Know that you are strengthening your wisdom to discern whether or not that path is right for you, whether or not it's in alignment with your deeper desire. Be not afraid. Float. Float on the chi. Let it fill you up. Let it brighten your inner being. Be suspended. Be suspended in the present. Down. One more in each direction. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. I should say one more in all the 6 directions. And center it all down into your belly. Bring the hands over your belly and close your eyes. Invite in a bright inner smile into every cell in your being. Deep breath and center this feeling, this bright, energetic, vibrant vision of you right in your low belly. Know that you can open that vision any day, any moment. Be well, visionaries.